Hi guys, so today we're doing a Frizz test. Kendra and I are going to show you our new diffusing routines and how you can make diffusing work for you if you're an air dry girl like us. We've partnered with Dyson and we'll be featuring the Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer. Kelsey and I have been using the Dyson Supersonic for years, and now they're celebrating 5 years and including 5 styling attachments. The diffuser, the styling concentrator, the white tooth comb attachment, the brand new flyaway attachment, and the gentle air attachment. Thanks so much Dyson for sponsoring this video. So of course the first steps to frizz-free curls are going to be a very generous product application. A good leave-in conditioner and a defining styler are key to manageable curls. So first we're both going to use the diffuser attachment, which gives even diffusion. It also helps prevent frizz and gives better curl definition than any other diffuser we've tried. Depending on your hair type or how wet your hair is, you can adjust the speed and heat settings. We both used medium speed and Kendra used low heat while I used medium heat, because I only air dried my hair for about 15 minutes and Kendra air dried for about 45 minutes. So I found that when diffusing, starting in the sections that take the longest to dry is very efficient. And for me, those sections are the back and the middle. Also, trying not to touch your hair during diffusing will help avoid frizz. It also has intelligent heat control, which regulates heat and prevents extreme heat damage, as well as protects the hair shine. And you guys know this is super important to us because we've struggled with heat damage in the past, and this is really essential for sustaining nice, healthy curls. I'm also shocked at how fast my hair dried because I can be pretty heavy-handed with my curly hair products. The Dyson's V9 digital motor and the air multiplier technology really sped up the drying process for me. Because in the past when we've tried to diffuse our hair, it turned out kind of sticky and it never fully dried. But that wasn't the case with the Dyson Supersonic. our hair was about 85% dry, we both switched to the cold setting and finished off the drying process with cold air. This just seals the hair shaft and cuticle, creating less frizz and giving the hair more shine. So after diffusing is done, applying some oil to your hair to add like some extra shine and get the crunch out, because your hair tends to have a little bit of a crunchy hard cast sometimes. The oil is really helpful to get rid of that and create some softness and some shine. So the styling concentrator is one of my favorite attachments when straightening my hair, but using it to do this stretching technique is super helpful if you have a lot of shrinkage. It just adds that length to your curls that you're always longing for. So you basically just want to pull your hair at the root or the ends, whichever you prefer, and just hold it there for about 15 to 20 seconds, giving it enough time to actually stretch. So typically the wide tooth comb attachment is used to shape and lengthen the hair, but for this style we're going to use it to add a little bit of volume to the hair. Okay guys, so that wraps up this video, and we can now confirm that Dyson has made us diffuser girls because we finally found a blow dryer and diffuser that works on our curls. Thanks again Dyson for sponsoring today's video. Also, if you guys want to know more about the Dyson Supersonic and its 5 attachments, don't forget to click the link in the description box below.